In this video, we're going to take a look at quick styles. Quick styles are a set of formatting options that allow you to rapidly apply formatting. Quick styles can also help with formatting consistency. Now, we're going to start on this very plain document by applying a few styles. So I'm going to highlight this first line, and I'm going to go to the Styles group on the Home tab. Now there is a button which will expand the gallery. This is the More button. Now that it's expanded, you'll see all the styles in your gallery. If you're using a newer version of Office or using Office 365, you'll probably see just the name of the style and it'll appear as what the style looks like. Now I can see a preview by pointing my mouse at it, but I'm going to settle on title eventually. Now I'm going to do one more for this software documentation paragraph. So I'm going to highlight that, and then I'm going to go and click on heading 1. For the last headings in my document, I'm going to select all of them at once. I'm also going to use the mini toolbar instead of using the ribbon. So I'm going to select my first heading, and I'm going to use Control and select the other headings. Now that I have all my headings selected, I'm going to use the mini toolbar, click on Styles. You can see it's the same menu that you have up top on the ribbon, and I'm going to choose Heading 2. Now let's create our own style. So I'm going to select my title of my document, and I'm going to open up the font dialog. So I'm going to change the font here and the color. And I'm also going to change the spacing. And then finally click OK. Now to create a quick style out of this, I'm going to go back up to the Styles gallery and click the More button, and then click on Create a Style. Now I'm going to name it so I can pick it out of the gallery later. And now you can see it's in my Styles gallery. If I needed to apply it again, I could. Now let's create a style out of this heading right here. So I'm going to select my heading and create a style. Now I'm going to apply the heading to the other three. You could have done this to a built-in style, but we're going to do this to my custom style. Now, you may want to update all of them at once. So here's how you would do that. So I'm going to change the color on this heading. After I've changed the color, I'm going to right-click the style and choose Update to Match Selection. As you can see, all the headings now have matching colors. I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.